Knowledge is power. You know what I mean? Wisdom. And what a blessing to be structured in that format of thinking. And power. Power, you know, the definition of the ability to do something. You know what I mean? Choose your knowledge and your wisdom and your power wisely.
All this pressure that I'm smoking, bro, it got me thinking. And all these people that have crossed me, man, it got me thinking. Life goes on, life is hard, but I proceed to get knowledge. Nobody remember number 3, bro, it's all about one. Man, I miss the names, I feel the baby boomers. It's our time, we the OGs in the city now. They talk down about big homie, but I move forward. They talk down about big homie, but I move forward. I'm just a wizard with a vision, hope you join the team. I see the constellation now, understand God's dream. The knowledge came from Hindus, I hope you peep the science. Dallas masterminder, that's why they hate big homie. Yeah, peep these numbers and I see they vision. Yeah, peep out how this wizard living. Yeah, strategies across the world, man, I lighten souls. I'm just doing my job, homies.
We all know that change is good, as long as for the best. You know, it's your life. You live it how you want to live it.
God of life and saves like on Big Bro Muhammad. Let's keep going.